Earthquakes strike without warning. When the ground shakes, will you be ready? In the first 72 hours after a disaster, your survival depends on how prepared you are. That's where the Go Bag comes in. But what exactly is a Go Bag? Also known as a grab-and-go emergency kit, a Go Bag is a portable bag filled with essential supplies you'll need to survive during the critical hours and days after an earthquake or any disaster. It should be easy to carry and always ready. Because when disaster hits, there's no time to pack. A well-prepared earthquake Go Bag should include the following essentials. Water, at least 1 liter per person per day. Non-perishable food, ready to eat and lightweight. First aid kit, with medicines, bandages, antiseptic and personal prescriptions. Flashlight and extra batteries for power outages. Whistle to signal for help. Multi-tool or Swiss knife. Face masks, to protect from dust and debris. Emergency blanket or thermal blanket. Hygiene kit, alcohol, soap, toothbrush, feminine products. Extra clothes and raincoat. Important documents, in a waterproof bag such as IDs, emergency contacts and cash. Phone charger or power bank. Local map and a small notebook with emergency numbers. Why does this matter? In the aftermath of a strong earthquake, roads may be blocked, power lines down, and basic services unavailable. Your Go Bag becomes your lifeline, helping you stay safe, warm, fed, and informed until help arrives. Preparedness isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Now ask yourself, if an earthquake happens tonight, are you ready to go? Start building your earthquake Go Bag today, because preparedness saves lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SciTuro Science Tutorials by JP for more life-saving science content. Stay safe, stay smart, stay prepared.